Very good morning, future judges. You have come a long way from barracks to bulky commentaries, from late night revisions to early morning mocks. And now, you are standing at the final doorstep of the RJS pre-exams. This message is for you, the warrior of the written word, the seeker of justice. You may be feeling nervous right now, doubtful, drained. Let me tell you, these feelings are normal. But don't let them decide your outcome, because you are not the same person who started this journey. Now you are better, you are sharper, you are ready. You have revised all the barracks, major and minor laws, language. Every hour you gave, every answer you wrote, it has built the mindset of a judge in you. And remember, this exam does not demand perfection. It demands clarity, calmness, and confidence. In the exam hall, your best weapon is your mind. Don't rush. Read every question at least twice. Use logic, not panic. Eliminate wrong options and trust your preparation. You have done the work. Now allow yourself to perform. This is not the time to fear what you have not done. It's time to believe in what you have. So, don't carry the burden of results in your mind. Focus only on the process, one question at a time, one mark at a time. A judge is not born in a courtroom. A judge is born in these moments of discipline and determination. That's you. So walk into the examination hall like it's your courtroom. Head high, eyes clear, and mind steady. Let your answers speak for your hard work. From all of us at Praggya Institute, we are proud of you, whether it's your first attempt or your fifth attempt. You are not just preparing for a job, you are preparing to serve justice, and that purpose is powerful. So believe. You don't need luck. You need faith in yourself. And you already have it. All the very best, future judges. Now go and come, claim your seat. The bench is waiting.